and welcome to another diamond painting video. I am Debbie. Today I have an unboxing for you guys that I am really excited about. This unboxing came from Mirthful Diamond Painting, and this was sent to me by Netta, who is the owner of Mirthful Diamonds, asking me if I would like to unbox for her, and she sent me a surprise, so I had no idea what was coming. And I am really excited about this one. Now, I have purchased from Mirthful before, and I really do like their drills. I like how the rendering is, and I'll put both of those videos up in the top of the eye, and I'll also put them underneath the description so you can take a look. The drills are really good, and I have very little trash on those canvases. I'm also doing those for 26 for 26, and whenever one comes around, I will get to work on it again. This one, I just want to show you the back of the box. It does give you the instructions on how to diamond paint, and then on the front, it does tell us, there is her logo there, Mirthful Diamond Art, and it tells me what is inside here. And this is a Jasmine Becket-Griffith canvas, and I've done a couple of hers from other companies, and this one is Peppermint Dragling. So I want you to see that there. I like how she does have the information here on the diamond painting, and also gives you the size, even lets you know that it's a square. There are 70 colors, and out of those colors, 5 are ABs. We have 6 Cupid dust. There's a total of 62,000 drills, which I really like that that's on there. And then we have a 50 by 75 centimeter diamond painting. So let me show you first what all is in the box, and then we will get to the canvas. Okay, here is the toolkit. The toolkit is different this time, and it came directly from her manufacturer, and it's the first one that I've seen like this of hers. It comes in a really nice plastic pouch that unzips. I don't know what all is in here. Let's go ahead and open this up. This is a premium toolkit. It's what she considers a premium toolkit, and looks like it definitely is. Okay, here is a really nice tray, and we do have a stopper inside. I wasn't sure. You can either use this as one tray if you wanted to, or you can even use it as 2 trays. There's a larger one, and then there's one that's just a little bit smaller, and I don't usually use trays that come from canvases, but these are really nicely made, so I might use those. Then we have tweezers, and these I like because they are very stabby, and they're also a teal color, which I don't really have. And then we have some washi that does have Mirthful Diamond Art on it. This pen even matches the tray, and look how sparkly. We have our single placer there. We have, it looks like a 2 placer here. Oh, it's actually 4 placer here, even it says it. I don't usually use the plastic tips. I just can't multi-place with these for some reason. But they're easy to take off, and you can put your own on there and then just put it back on. This took me a hot minute to open. There is a large plate of wax here. That is, it's not real soft, which I don't like the real soft ones. So I will try this putty here. That should be more than enough to complete this canvas if you decided to use that. Let's take a look at the drills. I'm not going to open all of these because it takes me forever to get these back in here. I'm not going to work on this for a while just because I'm doing 26 diamond paintings right now. And if you're not familiar with what that is, I will also put in the playlist for 26 for 26. But look how beautiful and bright these colors are. And then we do have at the end, I will show you what the special drills look like. Here are all of our special drills. I just want to put these out here so you can see how many that we have. Now, of course, some are more than others, and there's some static in here, but that's okay. I can easily deal with that. Special drills are, I love how bright and vibrant that these are. And I might even add some more when I get there. Who knows? I'm starting to add quite a few more specials in all of my paintings. But these are absolutely gorgeous. I love all of the blues and the grays. That's going to be so much fun to work on. Here are our symbols. And I'm not sure why that there's 2 sheets here. I think usually there's an inventory sheet in hers. Both of these are on sticker paper, but this one is not separated. It's not individual, but I can definitely use this photo here. Look how pretty she is. And look at the little dragling. I love dragons, and so the little dragling is really cute. This would even be cute, I think, for Christmas because of the peppermint colors. I will use this one when I do go to kit up because they are individually cut, which I love that because it's so much easier. You could easily on these work out of baggies. I don't do that. I just cannot work out of baggies. I've tried, I failed, and I just don't like it. But you could easily work out of baggies. The baggies are in order by the symbol or the code here. And then you can just put your symbol on there and you are good to go. This is not going to all fit on my table, but I wanted to put the dragling up here, which is so cute. I'm also going to do a B-roll so you guys can see. This looks like it's going to be quite a bit of confetti, and I'm okay with confetti as long as the confetti is necessary. And it looks like on this one that it is, but I'll know once I get started. But I love the rendering on this. And Jasmine Becket-Griffith is known for her big eye girls, and this one is no different. That's what pops out to me more so than anything when you're looking at the girl are her big eyes. I'm really looking forward to working on the dragling as well. And then I'm assuming this part down here, because I can't tell if this is the girl's feet or not. And I've looked on here too. I'm not 100% sure if that's her feet, which is right here. I'm almost positive that's what that is because it does look like that would be legs. And then the dragling is sitting on the legs, or her tail right there. That's her little tail. And I think the dragling is sitting on her tail. But I like all of the candy that's at the bottom there. And then also what she's wearing. It looks like candy canes, which is of course why it's called peppermint. And then all around her hair, just all around the swirls, those are all candy canes. And I don't see anything that might be an issue on the codes. I always like to see if there is a D. Trying to see if there's an 8. Sometimes D's and 8s look very similar to me. These are not in proper sorting order, which is like your numbers 1, 2, 3, numerical order or alphabet, and that doesn't bother me at all. I usually keep it in DMC anyway, because when I go to kit down, it makes it so much easier. When I first started diamond painting, and really for the longest time, I would rearrange all of my drills, and now I just get used to knowing where my drills are. The top of this does look like it's going to have some confetti. It does have just a small amount of color blocking on here, and then we go down to the dragling. And then also we're going to go over here. There's still a lot of peppermint. We have her large eyes. And then we have more of the red and white, which of course represents peppermint. We have, it looks like her tail here, and then we have her legs. And over on the left side here, we do have our schematic. And if we go over to the right side, we're going to have a schematic on the other side as well. There is going to be a lot of green in here, which I'm definitely okay with that. This will be really cute for Christmas. I might have to bring it out then. Surely by Christmas, I'll have some more of my 26 for 26 finished. If I don't, that's okay too. But I'm definitely going to be working on this. If not this year, this will definitely be one of the top ones that I pull out for next year. All that I have for you today, guys. Be sure to check out those other 2 videos if you haven't already, so you can see what the drill field looks like. I would love to go ahead and start on this one, but I am working on those other 26 and I cannot add any more to it as much as I would like to. If you haven't subscribed, I would love to have you here. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please click on the like button. And until next time, happy diamond painting. Bye.